The boats were electronically FARO'd, allowing ATA to create an accurate model of each vessel. Animations show the paths of each boat at the time of the collision. The Big Daddy service boat was being driven by an unqualified driver at the time of the accident and was traveling on the wrong side of the waterway. The speed and angle of impact of the Big Daddy allowed it to override the smaller boat. The Big Daddy was traveling at approximately 30 to 40 miles per hour, and the pleasure boat was at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Line of sight distances were determined and showed what the driver of the pleasure boat could see.